Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more helpful technical videos and tutorials. Today, we're working with the VTools VT1507 model to show you how to change the pressure valve. Let's get started. First, ensure the machine is kept vertically so the oil doesn't flow out. Then, carefully remove the 4 screws to open the pump set. While removing the pump assembly, make sure to hold the pressure switch firmly and remove it carefully. This helps avoid any damage to the switch or surrounding parts. Remove the pin to open the valve. Also, take care while removing the valve to ensure you don't scratch or damage the outer frame. While installing the new pressure valve, make sure to check the locking position carefully and fix it correctly. This ensures the valve works properly and prevents any future leakage or malfunction. Lock the pin in place. Always remember to check the seals to ensure everything is secure. Double check the alignment before tightening the screws. While installing the pump, make sure to lock the pressure switch properly onto the valve, just like shown in the video. If it's not locked correctly, the system won't work as it should and may cause pressure issues. Before tightening the screws, check the alignment of all parts carefully. If they are not aligned properly, it can cause damage to the rotating parts or affect performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.